Oh, goodness. Does anyone else? I heard it was like genetics that makes you sneeze when you see the sun.
It's a genetic condition in which exposure to bright light causes sneezing. Yeah, it's a real thing, and it's called ACHOO Syndrome. About 20 to 35% of people are susceptible. Scientists think it's due to cross-wiring in the brain in which the light goes through the optic nerve, but then triggers the trigeminal nerve, usually responsible for sneezing, and boom, there's your sneeze. If you want to test if you have this, next time you feel the slight urge of a sneeze coming on, stare at a bright light, but not the sun. We're not talking about burning your retina. If that causes you to sneeze, there's a good chance you have ACHOO syndrome.